name is Olivia Rivet. I am helping financial institutions in transforming their product offering and growing their business so that they can be positioned as the leader they want to be. In addition to that, I enjoy running activities and walking in the woods. My job implies a lot of interactions with different people from different professions, different companies, and different countries. My daily activities can be summarized in 3 fields. First, leading projects by bringing people, teams together so that we can exceed the expectation that we set for ourselves. Second, creating partnership to build and grow our business. Third, innovating by identifying the white spaces to create new opportunities for growth. The financial sector is a very dynamic and fast-growing environment. That is what I find very attractive. And regarding my 17 years experience, I am particularly proud of the expertise I developed across banking, asset management, and insurance sectors. At the same time, bringing our industry stakeholders together to discuss the challenges we are facing, the alternative solution we have, and our vision about the future is a part of my biggest successes. And from my point of view, each challenge is an opportunity to grow. I would rather say that the financial sector is constantly evolving. So the key drivers today will not be the same in the future. My advice is connect with people, be curious, and believe in yourself.